Okay guys, here is the situation. Right now I'm hungry and I'm craving for some fried rice. But I don't have any leftover rice. What am I gonna do? Well, in this video I'm gonna show you how I make fried rice from uncooked rice in just 7 minutes. First of all, I'm going to turn on the burner and then add some cooking oil in there. I'm going to add 2 cloves of garlic. I'm going to stir fry this for a little bit. It smells so good, guys. Next, I'm going to add 2 eggs. And let's move it around like when you make a scrambled eggs. So the egg is pretty much done at this point. I'm gonna turn off the burner. Right now they normally add all the different ingredients in here and cook the fried rice. But my situation right now is that I don't have the leftover rice. So what am I gonna do? Let's bring out my trusty pressure cooker. So I'm gonna put my cooked egg in there. And then I'm gonna add 2 cups of rice. This has been washed. And then I'm gonna add this canned tuna, spicy tuna. Just dump it all in there. Next, I'm gonna add 3 tablespoons of sesame oil. And last but not least, some sweet soy sauce. Finally, I'm going to add 3 cups of water. Let's stir this around for a little bit to make sure that they're evenly mixed. And then we're going to close the lid. And turn on the burner to medium high. So now we're gonna wait for the pressure to build up and the steam to come out from the vents of this pressure regulator. Okay, the steam is already coming out of the pressure regulator. And I'm gonna turn down the heat to medium low. And I'm going to set my timer here for 7 minutes. All you can do right now is sit back and relax. Enjoy your favorite TV show before the timer goes off. See you guys in 7 minutes. Okay guys, 7 minutes is almost up. We turn off the burner. And let's wait for the pressure to come down naturally before we can open the lid. Okay guys, the pressure has come down. We can open the lid now. Let's check it out, guys. It smells so nice, like in a Chinese restaurant. Let's stir this a little bit to let go all of the remaining steam. Oh, it's hot. Okay, I'm gonna put this in a bowl. This is the final product, guys. It certainly looks like fried rice. Check out this mean bowl of fried rice, guys. You won't be able to tell the difference. I'm gonna go ahead and try this. It's really good. It tastes like fried rice. Actually, it tastes better than fried rice cooked from leftover rice because the texture is softer and fluffier since it's made from scratch. The normal fried rice tends to be drier and more difficult to digest. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Bye.